Now children, our next type of crop is plantation crops. Okay, next type of crop is plantation crops. Now what are these? See, plantation crops are those crops which are cultivated on a large scale and have high commercial value. Means these types of crops also are grown to be sold in the market only, and they are grown in a large quantity. They are grown in a large quantity. You have seen here that they are cultivated, means they are grown on a large scale and have a high commercial value. Means when the farmers are selling in these types of crops in the market, they are getting a great amount of profit. Okay, they are getting the great amount of profit because they are having large commercial value. Means when we are selling anything in the market, in return we are getting the great amount of that profit. Okay, so that is why these types of crops are there, which are grown to on a large scale to sell in the market, and in order to these crops the farmers are getting a large amount of profit. Okay, so they have great economic value and play a vital role in our Indian economy. Just before we have started the lesson, that time I have told you about the crops. They are playing a very important role in Indian economy. So mostly these plantation crops are there, which are playing a very important role in our Indian economy because they are having the high commercial value. The farmers are getting the large amount of profit from this. So the Indian government also getting lots of money because of these types of crops. Okay, then which are the crops of plantation crops? What are the examples? Tea, coffee, coconut, rubber, etc. These are the examples of plantation crops. Okay, which are grown in a large scale and have a high commercial value. Which types of crops are there? Tea, coffee, coconut and rubber, etc. These are the examples of plantation crops. Then these crops helps to conserve the soil and ecosystem. Okay, what they are doing, they are helping to conserve the soil and ecosystem. These plants are helping to conserve, means protect. Conserve means to protect. They are helping to protect our soil and ecosystem also. Okay, tea planted in hill slopes protect the land from soil erosion during rainy seasons. Now see, this is the example how they are helping. Tea planted in a hill slope. The tea is planted in the hill slopes, means on the mountains. Okay, hill slopes like this on the mountains. What they are doing, they are protecting the land from soil erosion. In the previous chapter I have told you about the soil erosion. Okay, in the soil erosion, the upper layer of the soil is damaging. Okay, because of that so many types of floods and so many types of problems are coming. So what they are doing, they are helping to protect the soil from the soil erosion during rainy season. In the rainy season, soil erosion is there in the mountains. Okay, so what they are doing, they are protecting the soils. Okay, so this was about the plantation crops. Now next is horticulture crops. Okay, next is horticulture crops. Now fruits and vegetables come under the category of these crops. Now only fruits and vegetables are coming under this horticulture crops. Okay, then India is one of the largest producers of fruits and vegetables. Now on all over the world, only India is the country which is the largest producers of the fruits and vegetables, which produces the fruits and vegetables in a very large quantity. Okay, then our country produces nearly 13% of world's vegetables. Now see, this is a very big amount. Okay, in the all over the world, India is producing 13% of vegetable. Our country India, out of 100%, our country India is producing 13% of world's vegetable. Means all over the world, so many types of countries are there. They are also producing vegetables, but in all those countries, India is producing maximum amount of 13% of vegetables. Okay, now which are the fruits in this crop which are coming in this category? Orange, mango, grape, banana, etc. So many other types of fruits are also there, but I have written here these only. Orange, mango, grape and banana, these are the fruits which are coming under the category of horticultural crops. And what are the vegetables? potato, onion, peas, etc. Some other types of vegetables are also there. It is written in your book. You can see from there. But here I have written only 3 types of these are the examples of vegetables which are coming in the category of horticulture crops. Okay. Now some other types of crops are also there which are coming in the horticulture crops, which are the crops cashew and mushroom. Cashew means kaju and mushroom means everybody that you are eating the vegetable of mushroom. Okay. So these are the other crops, these are the other 2 crops which are also coming in the category of horticultural crops. Okay. So in the plantation crops, again it is like a cash crops only. The farmers are growing to sell these crops in the market, but they are having the high commercial value and they are playing a very vital role in our Indian economy. But in the horticultural crops, only fruits and vegetables are coming, and India is the largest producers of fruits and vegetables in all over the world. So children, we have studied about all 4 major types of crops. Now we will see about the 3 types of crops which are divided according to the seasons only. Now we will study about them. Okay children?